When fitting a Petway pet door to an insect screen door, an insect screen door adapter bracket is required. For the do-it-yourselfers, basic handyman tools are all that's required for this simple installation. The insect screen door adapter consists of 2 plastic legs and 4 galvanized screws. The legs can only be attached together one way, and a click can be heard when correctly assembled. Each leg consists of small fins which run down both outside edges. These fins match up with grooves provided in both the front and the rear frames of the Petway pet doors. These fins match up with grooves provided in both the front and the rear frames of the Petway pet doors. Place the adapter bracket on the edge of the insect door frame with the longer leg running vertically. Each leg contains dual screw holes. This is for left or right corner applications. Only use the hole closest to the insect screening. With the adapter bracket in position, close to but not quite touching the insect screening, use a cordless drill with a Phillips drill bit to screw the self-tapper screws in place. Only light pressure is required. It is very important to keep the cordless drill square to the frame so the screws go in straight. You can achieve this by pushing the drill lightly against the flywire. Remove the spline cord from the pet door. Unscrew the 2 screws and separate the frames. Remove the accessories bag and re-screw all 6 stainless steel screws into the 2 pet door frames, trapping the flap between. When ready to install, always remember to have the name Petway on the flap facing away from the insect screening. Place the pet door over the adapter bracket. Then, push firmly down and then sideways to lock the pet door in position. A clicking sound is heard as the fins align with the grooves. Moving to the inside of the screen door, cut away the insect screening around the flap and remove. Slice the insect screening at the top corners and where the curve in the channel starts. This is to ease the tension on the insect screening when it is being run into the channel. Pre-crease the insect screening into the channel. With one hand supporting the pet door frame, run the provided spline cord back into the pet door channel, creating a neat and tidy finish. There is no need for any cross bracing. There is minimal movement of the unsupported corner of the pet door frame as most of the impact is absorbed by the swinging flap. Petway pet doors, a simple solution for a common problem. For hints on training your pet to use the Petway pet door, check out our website at petway.com.au. Petway pet doors come in 2 sizes and 6 colours. Available from your local pet shop.